Guys, today we're going to be playing MM2. Yeah, officially, guys, don't ask me why I always have this on my screen. So if somebody messages me, I can just reply quick. And as you can see, nobody is here because my cousin I think my cousin is still sleeping. That's why. Even though it's already 12:34. Oh, I think I'm too fat. I think I'm too big to go. Ooh, GG. Let me get in there. So me and my cousin loves to play MM2, but in our video we never play MM2 because we will know, because we are a little bit noob at this game, but I already have a lot of victories because I played this for days, and I already have oh my gosh, give me back my own avatar. And then this is how many wins I got now. As you can see, I'm first place. Wow. And here is my murder elimination, so much, and my sheriff victories, and my innocent survival. Yeah, so guys, yeah, there. Guys, video. Oh my god. Josh, bro. Shush. I swear. Oh my god, I'm innocent. I swear if that little mini guy is the murder. Oh! I dang saw the murder. Loud British. Guys, subscribe if you know, okay, never mind, guys. I know you aren't. She is ghosting. Yo! Yo! That was so cool. By the way, guys, I'm gonna just stay here and eat my ice cream. Is my dang ice cream. Let me just enjoy my ice cream alone, bro. Let me enjoy my ice cream, please. Yay! Go. Me. Oh my god, my head is a big back to go in there. Goodness gracious. Oh my god, is this the murder? God, that was weird. Oh shoot.
Pag bumili ako ng gata bukas, dadagdagan ko yung buko.
The world. Tomorrow is Lola's 40 days. Diba? Right? And we gotta go to Lola tomorrow. Ay! What's up, y'all? It's me. The bird can't get me off here because like there's a little thing here that like has a gap causing the ladder to stop. So I can just stay here and enjoy my ice cream. Nobody is ever gonna get me here. I'm safe. Nanay! Nay! Bukas. Ay. Anong idadala mo dun sa 40 days ni Lola?
Si mama na mag-or.
Si mama.
Ano na food bukas?
Ay.
Nag-order. Siya na nag-order.
Okay, what's my food there?
Okay, ganyan.
What's my food there?
Yung food mo? Si mama na ba?
Si mama na bala. Ako, ang daming mapupunta doon. Meron din mga kids doon and hindi sila diwala mo. I forgot their name. Ay! I didn't mute. Yo! Meron din parang cute. I didn't mute you. Hello. Talaga si Tita May. Ate May, Tita. Oh, don't mind that thing. So guys, I'm gonna be farting in this girl's face. Gosh gracious. I don't have that enough Robux, guys. I only have 36 Robux. Cause I already spent my 200 Robux on this bald animation. And Kaz did like 200 Robux. And that's why. And then I became 36 Robux because I donated my cousin 5 Robux. It's only, yeah. Goodness gracious. Oh my lord.
Nanay has $5 outside.
Hey.
You want? You want
That is,
$5?
I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is.
$5.
It's only for Fortnite. It's for Fortnite. Not Roblox. Fortnite.
Box only. Grocery box.
Okay. But not, no thanks. Because I need real Robux. Nobody in here scam me with the Robux. Psych, bro! Yo! Gnarly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. do that. Oh, I never mind. I actually already drank one kanina. Like, oh, wait, never mind. Yes! Finally. You ugly! You thought you could win! Well, guess what? You are so ugly and you cannot even win for once. See, guys, she's crying. Look. Oh, dang! Dang! I got Sherry. Oh my gosh, it's always me, guys. I'm not there. Ay! There. I just died for no. I died for no reason. I think, guys. Oh my lord. Oh, guys, this with me. I only got 2 gold medals in my recognition. Yeah. Yes. And that girl over there with the yellow dress, she is my classmate. And the other one that is more giant is my mom. And by the way, my dad is in the edge, so you cannot see him. And that full face is just mine. And by the way, if you wanna friend me, guys, I'll type it in the comments now. Bye.